Hello guys, this is Rick and you are watching Nursing Gola. This video is made to have the clear idea of administration and management. ఆలస్యం ఎందుకు వీడియోలోకి ప్రవేశిద్దాం రండి. Administration is the organization and direction of the human and material resources to achieve desired ends. It has to do with getting things done with the accomplishment of defined objectives, whereas the management is the art of securing maximum results with the minimum effort, which secure maximum prosperity and happiness for both employer and employee. And the management is the distinct process consisting of planning, organizing, actuating, activating, controlling to determine and accomplish the objectives by the use of people and resources. Management and administration are two words are slightly similar and can employ interchangeable. Here, the management refers to private sector, whereas administration refers to public sector. If anyone asks you the difference between management and administration, the only line you have to remember is
Management is the operational part of administration.
and here comes the main part of the video. Difference. What is the main difference between administration and management? There are many differences in many aspects. The first one is nature of work. Administration is concerned about the determination of objectives and major policies of an organization. Management puts into action the policies and plans laid down by the administration. Next comes the type of function. Administration is the determinative function, and the management is an executive function. Next comes the scope. Administration takes major decisions of an enterprise as a whole, whereas management takes decisions within the framework set by the administration. Level of authority. Administration is a top level activity. Management is the middle level activity. Nature of status. Administration consists of owners who invest and receive profits from an enterprise. Management is a group of managerial personnel who use their specialized knowledge to fulfill the objectives of enterprise. Nature of usage. Administration is popular with government, military, education, and religious organization. But the management is used in business enterprises. Decision making. The administration decisions are influenced by public opinions, government policies, social and religious factors, whereas the management decisions are influenced by the values, opinions, and beliefs of the managers. Main functions. Planning and organizing functions are involved in administration, but the management have the functions of motivating and controlling. Abilities. Administration needs administrative abilities rather than technical abilities, whereas the management requires technical activities. These are the main differences between administration and management. I hope something you got from this video. You don't have to thank me, just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon.
See you guys in the next video.